suffering from too much love, too much coddling, too much with their hand being held. What's been happening is that they have the wrong idea of what love is. And in my view, love is discipline. Love is discipline. I think it's important because you want people to do well in life. And so the people that are affirming them, like you just said, are setting them down a path of absolute failure. This is why these kids they come out of college, they have a useless degree in gender studies, and they don't even know who to be angry at when they can't get a job. And so they blame the white man, the rich man, the tall man. It's because of racial prejudice. It's because women can't get, it's because literally you have done nothing of value in your life. Nothing and value at all, right? The world lied to you, the teachers lied to you, your mom lied to you, your dad lied to you. So I'm just going to stand up here and be the truth.
Listen, I know people give Candace Owens a lot of slack for the things that she has said, which some of the stuff I understand. But this right here, I agree with her 1,000%. You have so many people out here that want to coddle their children at the wrong time. This is why it is so important to have balance in the home, a mother and a father. Normally that tough love comes from a father, but that's what's missing in today's society. Strong men that understand balance. We have so many single parent households which are being led by single women, or sometimes we even have two parent households where the house is still being led by the woman because we have too many weak men. So you have a woman and a man both acting the same, wearing their hearts on their sleeve, allowing their emotions to dictate how that household is being ran. And we wonder why there are so many lost children out here today. That balance is missing. Masculinity in the home is missing. And if we don't change this, then society is going to continue to decline. Women are going to continue to be lost and think that being strong and independent is the way. We're going to have more either single parent household or we're going to have two parent households, but you have a weak man in the house. So that child is not getting the balance that they need in order to thrive in the world. And you're going to continue to have kids that's going to school for 10, 12, 15 years to get a dang on basket and weaving degree instead of moving through life with intention, with a purpose. They're going to continue to be lost.